What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Just in Time 3D Prints. So last night I started an unboxing video of the Makerbot Z18. Something came up about halfway through and I wasn't able to finish it. I guess I did technically unbox it, but I didn't get to start up in the first print. As you can hear and see behind me, it survived and is running now. I'll have more videos up on that, once the print's done. But last night opening this box, the shipment came in at 140 pounds. It was definitely interesting opening it and trying to unbox it. Like I said, I didn't get to finish it, but what I did record, I thought it was too funny to pass up the opportunity to share with everyone. So I hope y'all like it. Y'all can laugh at my pain in this. Everybody have a good day and enjoy. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Just in Time 3D Prints. Today we're going to do an unboxing of this giant box inside of me. For reference, I'm 6'4", so you can tell this is a giant box. Let's get into it. Alright, every 3D printer has a scraper, so why do you need a knife? Nice and packed. There we go. And of course, more on top. Wow, this thing is a beast. Beast. Got some styrofoam. And the ship weight on this was 140 pounds, so this should be interesting on getting it out. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're not doing that. So, we will cut the box on the side. Oh, it's actually, hold up, 2 boxes in one. A lot easier. Let's see. Okay, didn't make my life that much easier. There we go. Now for the next box. Wow, this thing is a freaking monster. Look at this thing. Keep in mind I'm 6'4". Oh. And there you have it, my attempted unboxing and first print video. As I said, the print is still running in the back, as you can still hear. Once it is done printing, I will show off the print. It's a 19-hour print as my first print on it, so it's been running for a little while. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. There will be plenty more to come. I am back. I had some things going on and I didn't make any videos for almost 2 months now, but I am back, so expect more content and more videos from me. And as always, like and subscribe. Thank you again for taking the time out to watch my video today.